I don't know, what do you guys think? The H2 or the Black Mamba? What do y'all like better? All right, guys. Welcome on back. I am sorry for the delay. Whoever the giveaway winner is, and I don't know who it is at this point because I'm not the one that's actually pulling them. You know, we're gonna pull it here. I'm actually on my way now to go link up with Randy, and I apologize for the delay, but my dumb ass was trying to work and I did something a little bit extra strenuous. Well, I literally just got discharged from the hospital. I mean, literally. So now I'm totally gonna follow the doctor's orders, and I'm going up to link up with Randy so he can give away this car. I like to keep my word on stuff. Man, I almost used the F word. Anyway, needless to say, I'm on my way. We're gonna go take care of this, and then it will allow me to get ready to get our stuff together for the next giveaway, which I think you guys are gonna be stupid excited about. But anyways, I have about an hour and 30-minute drive ahead of me. So let me go ahead and get to driving, and I'll link up with you guys here in a minute. All right, so we are on the way to go meet up with Randy to do the car giveaway, but I'm almost out of gas. And I'm right here by Patrick's Air Force Base, but the gate was closed. I thought I was gonna be slick and just go on base and get gas, but nada. So now I gotta hope there's a gas station between here and the hotel. I mean, it says I got 40 miles of range, right? I can trust that GM quality. I know I can make it. Ooh, runways. I like those. Oh, there's an F-150. All right, guys. So I'm here. We got Randy here. We just can't believe this shit at this point. So we found Yappy Pappy, right? He subscribed to Randy's channel, and he says right here, "I've been subbed to Randy for a while, and glad I could find another Copart lover." I was like, cool, right? You're the winner, right? Look, man. This is the one thing I do like about YouTube's new studio, is the ability to go in and search for a user, a comment, and it has this other cool feature. You can click right here and you can go to subscriber status, right? So we're gonna click not subscribe to me first to see all the commenters that have Yappy Pappy OG as their username. And we just have these two comments, right? So I guess I got to delete that one because he's clearly not the winner. Man, I guess.
I don't know. I would never thought it's this hard to give away a car.
Listen, you and me both.
Away.
You and me both.
Free.
I can't believe this shit.
All you have to do, nobody even asked for any money.
We didn't ask you to buy anything. We literally.
YouTubers make millions of dollars giving away away cars.
That should tell you something. They probably ain't giving away the car. I'm just saying. Look, and here's the thing. This is not subscribed, right? Now look, his comment still pops up. But when we go here and we click on subscriber status, subscribe to me, that would be TK's Garage, right? One of the conditions.
Finish him.
Nothing.
He's not in there.
Fatality.
And the thing is, he even said that he subscribed.
He
Commented and said
look
he
at this.
subscribed.
And his comment says, just checking out your channel 3 weeks ago and decided to sub because the intro is sick, and all the other content. Keep up the good work, right?
So why are you not subscribed?
But he's not subscribed.
He went through all that trouble, why not just click the subscribe? Just a quick click. That's all it was.
That's all it took. Just one click, and the car was free. Well, I guess we got to pull. We got to pull another winner. All right. All right, guys. So we ended up doing a second live stream, which you can find right here on the channel. And anyways, after pulling, I think 5 or 6 different people, we finally found somebody that actually covered all the bases and followed the rules. The funny thing is, we still haven't been contacted yet, nor we reached out directly to the winner on Twitter. And if we don't hear back from him by 7 o'clock this evening, we will be pulling another one. So stay tuned. And here's a little sneak peek for something that you guys are going to see here in the future. Or some work on a GLI for those saying that, we're not working on anything here. So stay tuned. If the winner does not claim the vehicle by 7 tonight, we'll pull another.